Hey guys, Tiki Kev here. Welcome back to Tiki Tuesdays, a weekly behind-the-scenes look at what we do here in and out of the shop every week. Enjoy this week's video.
He's got bars to build.
This is why I told Bob 4:45.
Thank you.
I know.
And he's still late.
I know. I'm here with him. Nicholas is here. You didn't have a choice.
And there's Nancy, the proud new owner of the Tiki Bar that you guys have seen in the shop for the last couple of weeks. So it's done, it's installed, and I just got wet. It's starting to rain. All right.
Jay's out.
Jay is out. Today is Jay's last day. We'll see you guys back at the shop. Jay, we'll meet you at the shop.
That's how far behind you are.
We'll meet you at the shop. We got beers to drink today. This is ready to go. Who built this bar? Yeah, Tiki. What?
You're holding it so close to your face.
I can't read out of my readers. I can't see that way.
Where's this one going?
New Hampshire, I believe. This one here. Yeah, this is for Abbott. And okay, you won't get this joke. You're too young. You see this customer here, Costello?
Yeah.
They're in Ohio.
Okay.
This customer is Abbott. They're in New Hampshire. Back in the 30s and 40s, there was a show called Abbott and Costello.
Really?
Yes.
That's funny.
And I didn't even pick it up when I took a video and posted. Go ahead, Nick. Just keep working.
I thought my putting was going to interrupt your story time.
Nope.
By all means, please keep doing it.
Hey, Tina, that's really good. I like that. Welcome to Tiki Kev's Tiki first vlog. Watches our Okay. See you next Tuesday.
What?
Today's Tuesday.
Yeah.
When there's a real bitchy woman, you say, see you next Tuesday.
What do you mean?
See
He
you.
doesn't know.
C-U-N-T. See you next Tuesday. You don't get it.
I'm confused.
What's the word C-U-N-T spell?
Don't say it out loud.
No, I'm not saying that.
Exactly. That's what see you next Tuesday means.
Yeah, but when people read that, they're not really gonna
I don't
do
think anyone
that.
thinks of that.
Only you.
Ask your dad.
Oh, okay.
Ask your dad.
Wow.
If
My mind did not go there.
okay.
Yeah.
Did your mind go there?
No.
Oh, and Peanut, when you write on there, when you wrote the description, write on there, please feel free to comment. I want people to comment. We're going to sushi tonight. Just so you know.
Me too.
Huh?
Me too.
I don't know. I got a text from Kathy.
Oh boy.
So I guess we're all going, huh?
Yeah, probably.
Alright.
My dad want me to go. I have nothing else going on.
Alright. Yeah, you're a part of the group, why wouldn't you?
Yeah, that's true. It's almost like I have to go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know.
When did he put you on stool duty?
Yesterday. I've made what? I've made 3 so far.
Wow. The swivel and everything.
Who would have thought?
Not me.
Yeah.
Coming back. Coming back.
Do you miss Jay helping you out?
Look at this place. It's a Tiki Bar factory.
It's a sweatshop.
It is. What's the average? If I wasn't here, what would the average age be? You got 20 and 15, 20 and 16.
And 15.
So that's 26, 36, and 15. Divided by 3.
Well, don't you have to add you too?
No, I said without me.
Oh.
I just shoot that number way up. Gotta be precise. Yep. When I say precise, I mean precise. Right? Yeah. There it is.
I'm hot and sticky.
All right, next, first one. 21 and 3/8. 23 heavy.
23 heavy.
23 heavy.
What does that mean?
23 and a 16th. Look at that. That palm will sit real nice up there now. Yes, sir. $23 light neck.
Now what does the light mean?
The 16th.
I thought heavy was a 16.
A 16th heavy. So 23 heavy is 23 and a 16th. 23 light is a 16th less than 23.
Complicated.
Not really.
Learn something new every day.
Doing it wrong.
Can't win them all.
No, the other one. The other one. Oh, right there. This one here. Yep. Hot in here, people. It is hot. Call the sweatshop for nothing.
check in on Sean. How's it going, Sean?
Good.
What number is this? 4.
Thanks.
Seems fun.
Very fun.
Alright, I'll let you be. Seems like you're having fun with your quiet time. Focusing. He's a man of few words.
Take this out. Next. Got a nice flat spot now for the palms to rest on.
Hello.
Hello.
What you doing?
Well, I'm notching the post to fit inside the bar.
Hey, man.
What's up, man? I'm like Leonardo DiCaprio.
Leonardo DiCaprio, the actor.
No. Whatever. No, who's the one guy?
Leonardo da Vinci.
Oh, the actor, yep. Same person.
One down, 30 to go.
Oh. That sounds tough.
30? I'll be here all day.
Time to get to work. We're gonna work some magic on the table saw. We won't have to grind. Dripping in sweat.
Yeah, I can see it. It looks disgusting.
Fit. Right. Put them in the slot there, see if they fit. Why is it not working? Did I plug something? Did I plug the wrong one? I did.
You
I plugged the wrong one in there. I don't want to. I don't want to move this, so just unplug it and plug me in.
I see what you
What do I do?
Oh, my
Looking good. Looking good.
How's that look right there? That looks pretty good.
Yeah.
Okay, hold that right there, Sean. So what did you say it needed to do, Nick?
From this way, from this, actually that,
That's
it's just
good.
a hair towards Sean, just a tiny bit.
Okay, hang on.
Head and my pajamas on, you're in trouble.
Get it.
Yeah.